If you've been feeling like your business growth is lagging, it might be time you consider conducting a competitive analysis. Are you looking to grow, want guaranteed ways to improve your business, or wondering how your customers would react to your new product or feature? Well, in today's video, you'll not only be introduced to the term competitive analysis, but also the tool that'll help you uncover what your competitors are missing. Competitive analysis is the process of identifying, analyzing, and understanding your indirect and direct competitors and their strategies, in order to then gain insights that can be used to improve your business. Your direct competitors offer similar services to the same customer base. Think of Gold's Gym and LA Fitness in this case. Your indirect competitors, on the other hand, offer a different product in a similar category. Think of Gold's Gym and the Nike Training Club app in this case. Both help you achieve your fitness goals, but one offers a physical gym where you can work out, and the other offers workouts and training plans that you can do anywhere. Now, once your competitors have been identified, it's time to analyze and understand their weaknesses or how they lose customers in order for you to stay ahead of your competition and boost customer retention. Now, there are mainly two ways to conduct a competitive analysis: spending hours scraping the internet for valuable information on your competitors from multiple sources, or simply use the power of AI to do the scraping for you, and even organize the findings in a simple, understandable format. I don't know about you, but I'd definitely use the latter. Now let me show you how it works. So now I'll be showing you 3 different examples of 3 different companies in 3 different industries and how I'll be doing the competitive analysis for them. I'll start with the example we took earlier, Gold's Gym. For those of you who don't know, Gold's Gym is the world's most famous gym chain. Now let's say I just opened my 4th gym location, I'm trying to grow my business, and I want to learn from the best, Gold's Gym in this situation. Let's go into IdeaApe and see how we can do that. After logging into my account, I'll go into the search and I'll write Gold's Gym. I'll also press add and write Gold's space Gym, as I said earlier, to include more and more Reddit posts. Don't forget to make both searches in title, and let's press enter. So right now, IdeaApe is scraping Reddit for information on Gold's Gym, their weaknesses, and what their customers are complaining about. Now that the loading is over, let's check the results. Now remember, in this case, I'm a gym owner, and I'll try to use Gold's Gym's weaknesses and strengths to my advantage. Now let's start from the top with dissatisfied customers. As you can see here, there are highlighted keywords, like for example, we have deceptive billing practices over here, difficulty canceling memberships, poor customer service, lack of transparency in contracts, poorly maintained facilities. These are all weaknesses and key points that Gold's Gym has that their current customers are currently complaining about. Let's move down, and now we have the next persona, gym comparison shoppers. Now, what do we have here? Inconsistencies in quality and amenities across different Gold's Gym locations, the challenge of comparing Gold's Gym to other popular gym chains, equipment availability and strict cancellation policies. Now these, for example, are some things that Gold's Gym has that's a weakness for them and helps shoppers go for another gym chain. What can we learn from those 2 so far? First of all, having consistency is a very, very important thing for shoppers. Second of all, price. Affordability is key here. Third of all, the equipment quality and equipment maintenance must be top-notch. Customer success is also key here. With good customer service, easiness of canceling memberships, and more transparency in contracts, you can also get way better results than Gold's Gym. If we go down, we can also see workout partners as one of the weaknesses. Now, if we dive deeper into that, it says workout partners face significant challenges in finding compatible training companions and dealing with overcrowded gyms. So another key thing to focus on here when it comes to owning a gym is overcrowdedness and having a gym that's not too crowded, where people can easily work out and find good partners. Now, when it comes to all those personas and points, you can find on IdeaApe that you can press on each one of them and find different sources and different Reddit articles and posts about that specific point, which is very good if you want to dive deeper and deeper and get a better understanding of the weaknesses and of the strengths. Now, our next example is Gymshark, which is a fitness e-commerce brand that has took the world by storm. Now, let's say I also have a fitness e-commerce brand and I want to learn the secrets of Gymshark and how they achieved the success. Well, let's try to do that through IdeaApe again. I'll first write Gymshark over here, press add, or, and I'll also write gym space shark just in case, for all the people out there that spell it this way, although it's just one word. Please also don't forget to change from phrase to in title again, and let's press enter. Now let's check our Gymshark search results. As you can see here, off the bat it says disappointed customers, sizing concerns, quality complaints, comparison shoppers. Now let's slow down and take it one by one. I'll start with disappointed customers. Let's take the highlighted keywords, for example. Poor product quality, unsatisfactory customer service, inconsistent sizing and fit, doubts about the brand's authenticity, disappointment with design choices. Now, these are all problems that can be solved. In my case, for example, I can look here, I can see poor product quality and try to focus as much as possible on the fabric, on the quality of the product, the quality of the design, the stitching, and all those small details that Gymshark obviously has problems with. Next, unsatisfactory customer service. I can, for example, get a couple of employees and assign them to customer service roles where we can always listen from the customers and change our business and improve. Next, let's go to sizing concerns, for example. Significant uncertainty and frustration when trying to find the right size in Gymshark products, sizing inconsistencies compared to other brands and limited options for taller individuals. That's a very, very important point. So for example, when I'm trying to build my own brand and make my business better and better, I can take into consideration having my sizing match the sizing of other brands like Nike, Puma, Adidas, and others, so that it's easier for my customers to shop from Gymshark. Another thing I can do, I can take into consideration taller and shorter individuals. If we go down further, we can see potential first-time buyers. Now, the issue that's mentioned here is potential first-time buyers of Gymshark products face significant uncertainties and lack of information when considering their initial purchase. So another thing we can do here is we can add more and more information on our website, on our products, so that people can be more certain when they're buying our products. The list goes on with shipping concerns, sales and discount seekers, and so on and so forth. We can learn more and more also, as I mentioned earlier, by pressing on each of the mentioned points and finding Reddit posts related to that. Now let's try to take one last non-fitness related example. This example is Ahrefs, an all-in-one SEO SAS product that helps you increase traffic. Now back to IdeaApe, where I'll write Ahrefs, change to in title, and press enter. Now in this situation, I myself have built an SEO optimization SaaS product, and I want to learn from Ahrefs, which have successfully built an SEO SaaS product themselves. Moving on to the results. Now, as you can see here, they say it's too expensive and not worth the cost, actively seek out alternatives, frustrated with how quickly credit runs out. So those are all very, very serious and important problems and issues to be faced. And in this situation, we can take into consideration the Ahrefs pricing and the credits that you get for that. And we can compare and try to have a more reasonable price per credit. Now, if we keep going down, we can see that the main issue with Ahrefs is pricing. As you can see, it says, find value in the tool. It keeps mentioning how limited the credits are for the price you pay. And another very important part, which is confused by features. As you can see, significant challenges and frustrations when using Ahrefs due to the complexity and lack of clarity in the platform's features and interface. Also, if we go down, we can say seeking usage tips. So the other main problem is how complicated the platform is and how there is a lack of help and tips from the platform itself. So now in my SEO optimization tool, what I'll do is basically, I'll focus on pricing and focus on complexity and trying to lower that and making the product as useful and as simple as possible. Utilizing your competitors' weaknesses to your advantage can drastically help you in growing your business. And with a tool like IdeaApe doing the work for you, there is no reason for you not to win over customers and earn market share. So sign up today, analyze your competition, and stay ahead.